of God. Let the holiness of God encapsulate this place. And let the holiness of the Holy Spirit burn all sins and iniquities, transgressions and filth. Let the holiness of God burn all power that is of the darkness. Let the holiness of God cleanse all iniquities, pride, unforgiveness, hatred, rebellion against God, immorality. Yes, oh God. For we are in the presence of a holy God. We worship a holy God. And all who come to Him must be holy. And so today, let us kneel and bow down before God and say, Lord, cleanse me. Make me holy. Make me worthy in your presence. Cleanse my mouth. Make it holy. Cleanse my heart. Make it holy. Cleanse my mind. Make it holy. For you are holy, O God. And no sin exists in your presence. And so, Lord, today, make us worthy. Make us holy in thought, in word, and in deed. Linisin mo ang aming mga bibig. Linisin mo ang aming mga puso. Linisin mo ang aming mga isip. Anumang bagay na hindi karapat dapat ka nais-nais sa iyong harapan, tanggalin mo, Panginoon. Pakalinisin, pakabanalin mo ang aming mga buhay. Because only the holy will see you face to face. When you come again, only the holy will be able to come to your presence. And so make us holy every day of our lives. Make our mouth holy, Lord. As we speak words, let everything that come out of our mouth, oh God, be a holy praise. Take away the filth, the dirt, the transgression. All our thoughts, Lord, may it be holy in your presence. And our hearts, because out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks. And so make us holy, O God, that we may be worthy in your holy presence.